poster I designed for the free fat loss class. I'm going to be doing this intermittent fasting challenge and teaching on Thursday nights at Fat Fitness in Savage. Team Savage. And look how cool it turned out. I love Canva. It's so awesome. So my undergrad is in teaching and coaching, and look, yeah, totally something a first grade teacher would do. I couldn't help it. Anyway, it was fun, and tomorrow night's going to be a blast. So you guys come. I'm going to teach you how to turn your body into a fat burning machine, increase your metabolic energy, reduce inflammation, double your success with intermittent fasting. If you don't know about intermittent fasting, I'm going to teach you. So be there, be square. Or you can follow me at Nancy Anderberg Coach on Facebook, and you can't be there in person, you can be on live from the comfort of your own home or anywhere.